Hi, this is just a simple trick I use when grinding stuff with a flap disk. So I take the disk off and I use the lock nut as a spacer under the disk. The lock nut has this groove that centers the disk in the middle. And I use an extra lock nut from another grinder to lock it in place and tighten it up. This allows me to use the whole surface of the flap disk and not only the edge, and I am still covered by the guard. So it's not gonna change your life, but it will let you get a little bit more out of these expensive discs.